Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel DIY with Indrani. So today I will show you how to draw this beautiful drawing of a bride with oil pastel. So I am taking Dome's oil pastel. I have 50 shades. It is very necessary for you to use 50 shades because in this you will get a lot of shades, and for blending I am using paper stamp. So first, on a A4 size sheet, this is a normal art paper that you can get in any stationery shop. Lot of you have asking me that what paper is this, but let me tell you, this is the normal art paper, the very affordable one that we use in school college projects. And I'm using a mechanical pencil for that fine lines. First you have to make a circle like a Loomis method, uh, partially Loomis method you can say, and the lines. Then slowly you will do the drawing, and you have to do it very lightly. Once the drawing is complete, then you can do it little dark with the dark pencils. So enjoy this beautiful drawing along with the background music, and do comment that what else drawing I can do in my next upcoming videos. Also, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for such beautiful content every single day. And also, if you are willing to draw this particular drawing, you can share with me in my Instagram account. You can tag me over there. So as I have finished my drawing, now I am erasing it with my kneadable eraser, and I have erased all the dark lines before coloring. Now starting with the face, as this is the part 1 of this beautiful bright drawing, I am only doing the face part. I have used orange color, so you have to give orange on all the portion that I am giving, all the areas. First we are going from dark shade to light. After orange I will be using light orange. So with the light orange also you have to give on top of orange, blend the color with direct colors only, and then little bit extra, as you can see how I am giving. Now this is the light orange color, so very lightly you have to give so that you can blend it properly. And after that you will use Simon pink color for the entire face. The lighter one is Simon pink color that I am using right now. It is a yellowish tint on the face. After that I will be using white color. So when you are doing any oil pastel artwork, try to use a paper which is little rough in texture. If it is very smooth, then you cannot blend or layer the colors as I am doing. All the colors will come out when you try to blend. After that you have to use brown color. Blending is very important. You have to blend with your fingers, and I am using white color for the highlights. After this again I will be blending with my fingers. For the larger areas use your fingers, and for the very delicate small areas you can use paper stump. Also you can use cotton earbuds. As you can see I am using brown color again. Now I am doing the hair part. First you will go with the brown for the borders. After doing brown color I will be using black color. All the names will be written at the bottom for your convenience. For the Mang Tika I will be using yellow ochre first, then lemon yellow, and also for the fine details I will be using black pencil colors. Color pencil is from Doms. You can see how I am doing slowly the Mang Tika with lemon yellow, the lighter one. And now you can see I am doing the eyes with dark grey and light grey, and for blending I will be using white color. For the eyeball use brown, and after that you have to use black color. So I think you have got the idea how I do all the portraits from dark to light shade. Blending is very important. If you don't blend you cannot make this realistic portrait like I do. For the big nut I have used brown color again. Now you can see this is black color for the eyeball and for the eyeliner. Then I will be doing the eyebrows with black and then little bit of brown color. Black will be in the center of the eyebrows and brown will be on both the side. Then for the lips and the bindi use geranium color. Geranium color is lighter than red color and it looks so pretty when you put it on the lips. We don't always want a red color which is little darker on the lips. so I am using geranium color. Also I have put little bit for the blush on the cheeks and blended it. Now finally I am doing the black color. As you can have noticed that first I have done the jewelry which is light in color, and then I am doing the black color. And now I will be using paper stump to blend the black color, because I don't want to use my finger for this black color. And now for the jewelry I have used yellow color, medium yellow. Now this is the color pencil that I was talking about. This is from Doms. It is very good, very useful for the black highlights, because these are very detailed thing that you cannot do it with oil pastel itself. So you need a pencil color just for this highlights. And then I am using Mungyo Gallery white color. This color is very useful for me. I know most of you don't have this color, so you can use white acrylic color after you finish the coloring.